Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I want to show a larger diamonddotz painting I was able to purchase from another store. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I know I've been showing a lot of diamonddotz paintings I've been finding and purchasing from Walmart. Well, when I was going through my diamonddotz stash that I have on the side, I kind of forgot I also purchased larger ones from a different store. I purchased this wonderful, beautiful painting from Hobby Lobby. So first time I saw the painting when I was there, Hobby Lobby was having a 40% discount on diamond painting. So I got this one on a really, really good deal. And mostly because I recognize the artist of this painting. So as you can see, the box is a lot larger than the other paintings I've shown. That's because the painting is larger. This painting is called Cobblestone Bridge. And the artist is Thomas Kincaid. I know this artist he also does jigsaw puzzles, and I grew up with jigsaw puzzles, so that's why I recognize the name, and I didn't know, oh, there's diamond paintings of some of his art as well, so I really wanted to pick it up. It's a beautiful little cobblestone bridge with a little town, and I just really love this kind of landscape type. I have a lot of larger paintings with this kind of style, so there's not really that much of a difference. The box is still the same, it's just depending on the size of the canvas. Since it's a larger one, on the side it does include information about the painting. This painting for the design, which is the drill field, is a 50.8 by 40.64 centimeters, or 20 by 16 inch, and the whole canvas, which is the fabric size, is 58.8 by 48.64 centimeters. I kind of didn't see the 4 there. Or 23.1 by 19.1 inches. This is a larger canvas than some of the other ones I've shown, but I am real excited to actually, when I have a chance to work on this one. In the back, it just has information if you need to diamond painting, what the kit includes, and just thanking you for your purchase of the painting. On the other side of the box is more information about the painting. This painting has 33 colors, and once the painting is completed, you would have placed 25,096 diamonds. I love that they include the count. I don't know, I keep count whenever I get to finish a painting. I don't know, it gets me kind of happy that I placed that much diamonds down. And the boxes always have the art wrapped around it, so that's why I really love diamonddotz boxes. Just in case you're not too sure if you want to purchase the painting, the little box kind of lets you check, hey, look at the painting. I really do like these boxes. And this painting, it's actually classified as intermediate, and I assume it is because there is a lot of confetti, as you can tell by the painting, so I think that's why it might be intermediate. So let me get everything out and we can check out the canvas. So give me one moment. Okay, you're back. No matter what size, diamonddotz is still diamonddotz. This is the canvas in a wonderful little dust-proof bag, and these are the diamonds, which include the kit within it. I love the diamonddotz does that. It does save room when you place everything back in the box, and just if you just want to see specifically just the kit instead of the diamonds. On the package of the diamonds, it includes an identifier, which I believe it is the SKU number, so if in case you store the diamonds and the paintings in 2 different locations, it'll give you the name of the painting so you can match it when you're going to work on the canvas. So let's check the little tool kit first. And it is a standard kit. It's not, with diamonddotz, it is a basic kit, which I don't mind. I really do like their little gray trays. I use them as separators sometimes when I decide to multi-tray. That's why I really like their kits. And the kits include the tray, the wax, and the pen. And I like that the wax, actually this is a little fancier. Let me open this one up a bit. I say it's fancier because the wax is actually in a little container. And it even says diamonddotz on it. I haven't seen this kind of wax before. I like saving little containers. And as I said, the wax, the tray, and your standard pen. Just in case you need to diamond painting, all you would do is pour your diamonds into the tray, press the pen into the wax, press it onto the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you unfortunately lose the tray or if it cracks or anything, your next canvas will have one as well. They always, almost all canvases always come with a kit, so don't worry, you always get another one. This one's a little fancier because it has a sturdy little grip. If you decide, I actually do love using just standard, if I just want to do a quick project or update real quick a project I'm working on the side, I just grab one of these standard pens with a grip and just do my painting. This is how pretty much all of us diamond painters start with, so that I have no problems with them if I want to keep working on them. Oh my goodness, I was able to put this on there real quickly. This kit does include multi-placers, so I believe there were 2 of them. But I was so happy to empty out the bag that I think I might have lost the other one. Where's the 3? No, it was 2. Apologies. It was a multi-placer of 6 and a straightener. Oh, I love straighteners. These you just attach to the pen real quickly, and when you're painting, you can use it to, straighten your painting in case there's any lines that are kind of crooked. And this is just a 6 multi-placer. If you decide, oh, I'm going to try to just, especially if you're color blocking the same color, real quickly, just use these larger ones for that. I love multi-placers. And this is the wax. I've never seen a diamonddotz little container. And I've owned wax with, these kind of container shapes. Never seen one with the diamonddotz logo on it. And it includes 2 nice pads of wax. And I really do love their wax. I'm currently using one for a project for one of the paintings I'm working on. So I really do like their wax. As they said, diamonddotz. I really like that. And it also includes just some standard resealable bags. These are really useful if you store any spare diamonds or if you decide to organize your diamonds to kit up to paint. These little baggies do the job as well. And the little tray. Apologies, I didn't really highlight the tray. As you can see, it has a little spout at the end. So once you're done painting and you want to change color, you can just pour them out and the little spout helps you out. I love using these little trays. Just in case, as I said, if I need to update quickly, a little color that I'm working on a painting. I like using little trays just to put a couple here and, put a couple on the painting. I don't have to worry about emptying them out on a really big tray. And let's look at the canvas. Apologies, you can hear me kind of tear the bag a little bit. And the crinkly noise. Alright, so it's just a standard plastic bag. It has the name diamonddotz and it says add some sparkle to your world. And I believe that is French. So I really like that every time I see them on the bag. I am not going to read it because my French is a little rusty. And the canvases are always nice, and to me they feel like nylon. As you can probably hear with my fingers, I really like their canvases. Are really, really sturdy. I'm a big fan of them. And this one is a little tougher to open because I usually, when I purchase them and I'm not going to work on them anytime soon, I just keep them in the box. And I believe since I probably had it put away, or however long the store had it put away, I think that's why it's a little tougher to unroll. I'm just rolling it the opposite way just to help it kind of settle a bit. Apologies if you hear all of that. Oh, there you go. That kind of helped a bit. And usually if I just leave them to settle, they'll straighten them out. They'll straighten out by themselves. And the creases you see on the canvas do not stay. So they do disappear after a while, especially if you just lay them for a while. Or you can put some heavy items on it just to assist it on, just laying down. Oh my goodness, this painting is so cute. Oh, I love landscapes. I was real excited that I was able to find a larger diamonddotz painting. This beautiful, beautiful art. So it includes, oh my goodness, a really large paper. It's a really large pamphlet just thanking you for the purchase, instructions on how to diamond paint, which is neat. It includes pictures as well. And it's in several different languages, as you can see by all of the columns on the paper. And it does. It's written instructions of all of how to diamond paint. This is really neat. I've never seen one with so many languages. That is real cool. And yeah, same thing in the back. Oh my goodness, there's so many. And yeah, there are just so many. As it says here, English, French, Spanish. I'm not too sure of some of the symbols. Oh my goodness, there are so many. That's Italian and Russian. And not too sure of a lot of the symbols. This is really neat. I've never seen one of the larger Diamond Dots canvases before. And trying to see. I believe this is Arabic. I saw the symbol. And I really love that they have so many different languages. That is so neat. And in the middle they do as well for both sides in different languages. It just, if written instructions aren't your, isn't your style, they do have pictures, especially if you're new to diamond painting. This is really neat. I'm actually going to save this because I usually try to recycle the pamphlets, but this is real neat. I never had one with so many languages, and I don't know, I find it kind of impressive. I'm going to put it aside real quick. And as I said, allowing the canvas to lay down. As you can see, the wonderful bridge with the river, wonderful homes, and the wonderful tree. Oh my goodness. And in person, it is a little smaller than I thought. I assumed it was going to be really, really large. But it does have a lot of confetti. I can tell. It's on the bridge, a little bit on the little pathway here on the side. But a lot of Diamond Dotz paintings do have a lot of confetti, which I don't mind. And confetti, if you're not familiar with the term, it's just a lot of color changing. So as you can see, there are several symbols. It's, for example, here on the bridge. They're going to be switching a lot just so it can give that nice color effect for the bridge. So I don't mind it though. I kind of like doing Diamond Dotz paintings on the side. I find them relaxing. I find them fun. On the top of the canvas, on the top left and lower right, is a whole legend of the canvas. And it shows all 33 colors. So it corresponds to the symbols that are on the canvas. The thing with Diamond Dotz, their color codes for their diamonds, they have their own system of color coding. Yeah, it's the term I can use. They don't use the standard DMC code. So, for example, let's say color 33, the last one. Their code is 8408. But since I know it's a white color in DMC, it's probably 3065. If you do store the diamonds, which I do for any that I have left over, there is a conversion chart for Diamond Dotz code to DMC. So don't worry. If you do save, Diamond Dotz does have on their website a conversion to DMC numbers, which I appreciate because, as I said, I save all my diamonds. And on the lower left corner, it has the name of the painting, again, Cobblestone Bridge, and the artist is Thomas Kincaid, and it has the SQ number so you can identify, especially with the diamonds, if you store them separately. I really like that. Or to identify if you're interested in this painting. And it has all the information of the dimensions and all of that. On the lower right, oh, apologies. On the lower, no, that was it. Sorry. I opened a different canvas earlier and I got confused, so apologies for that. I really, really do love this painting. Oh, it's so, so pretty. So let's look at the diamonds. I'm not too sure if there are any special diamonds. Apologies for the crinkly noise, but I'm taking the diamonds out. So let me put that aside real quick. They sometimes include ABs. And I've seen, I'm not too sure, maybe I'm not reading the identifier on the box, but I sometimes can't spot them until I'm actually, pulling out the diamonds and I see, oh, look at that, there's an AB diamond. That's more on me. I'm sure there's an identifier, but I don't usually see them, so that's okay. I like being surprised. As you can see, it's our wonderful little colorful cinnamon roll. To me, that's what they make me think of, so that's how I call them that. You can see all the wonderful little earthy tones, the greens, the pink. There's a random pink, which I really like. Oh, my lovely peach color, and I really like that. I can show you the line of diamonds. This is a large painting. I want to see pretty much all the colors. And luckily, the strip of diamonds are in numerical order, meaning that they match the way they are on the legend. So as myself, since I do kit them up, all of my paintings in a different storage unit, I really appreciate that. It makes it easier when you're kitting up. And for Diamond Dotz, they do not have labels. So you would just have to, make your own labels, or you can I just use the number identifiers as it is on the legend. It's easier that way. As you can see, I'm going to flip them real quick. Wonderful earthy tones. I love that dark burgundy. It's such a pretty color. Ooh, I believe that's 310. I can totally see the black. And I love Diamond Dotz diamonds. They're really, really shiny, as you can see. Really nice darker brown. Nice dark green. Nice pink. Ooh, a large bag of dark gray. Really like that. And this really earthy green. Really like that a lot. And this is number 10. Number 11 is this strip. Another darker green. Nice dark eggplant. A dark red color. Ooh, I like that color. A cocoa brown. A sand color. A dark burgundy. Nice, wonderful teal. A darker green. I believe this color. Oh my goodness, they're really close to each other. The diamonddotz code for this is 8259. The next one, 8258. And this is 8257. Oh my goodness, I have to be real careful with these three greens. Yeah, this one's lighter than these two. I'd have to be real careful because they match really, really closely, as you can see. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to be careful. I thought there were two packets of the same color. No, they're different colors. I have to be really paying attention. And the next strip is this nice, another dark green, another dark cocoa, a darker peach, a salmon color, a light gray, light eggplant color, another dark gray, a dark peach color. Ooh, I like that color. A nice kind of, to me it makes me think of a dark pumpkin orange. I really like it. Ooh, and a nice violet. I like the random color that's popping out. And the last strip is these. Oh my goodness, I really thought that was white. Oh, apologies, scratch that. The last color is this color. So my nice, lovely peach color. Nice light eggplant. This nice dark sand color. I really thought it was a white color. Usually a lot of my diamonddotz paintings, when I open the last color, is usually white. So that's why I assumed, oh, it's going to be a white color. No, it's not. Apologies for that. It's a nice dark sand color. Oh, these are so pretty. So this painting does not have any special diamonds. But I am curious about this pink color. It is so random. And against all of these really nice dark earthy colors, I'm curious where this pink is. It's more out of my curiosity than anything. So the number on the legend for this one is number 8, and the symbol for it is an X. That's kind of neat. It's just a big old X. And I think it might be around the homes, because there are some flowers. I saw it in the painting. Oh, I was right. It's here at the base of this specific house, and pretty much lining all of these little bushes here. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be so pretty. This pink is so gonna, you can totally see it against all the brown. That is really, really cute. I really wanted to see where it was. Apologies, that was just more out of my curiosity, because as you can see, it's all brown and green. Which I have no problems with, because I love earthy tones. I'm a big fan of it. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I know this diamonddotz painting is a lot bigger than my usual ones. And as I said, I purchased this one through Hobby Lobby, so I'll make sure to put the information in the description below, in case this wonderful canvas is kind of your style as well. As I said, I did purchase this when Hobby Lobby was having a 40% sale on diamond painting. So just keep an eye out. They always try to put what I've seen sales every other week, because I would buy a lot of yarn from Hobby Lobby. So that's why I know every other week they would have discount sales for yarn. I believe it's the same thing for other crafts as well. So I lucked out when I purchased this one. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I just really love this canvas. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter what color tone. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.